Hi guys, Wicked Penny here. I've had so many requests for the dish that I'm preparing today, too numerous to mention. So I would love to give somebody credit for the dish, but literally probably 50 to 60 people have requested, emailed, commented if I could make an amazing baked mac and cheese dish. So I scoured the globe of Pinterest and YouTube, and I think this might be it. Now, again, never made it before. It piqued my interest because it's a little different process than what I'm used to when it comes to mac and cheese. So I'm gonna bend it down after I have a sip. It's 3:17 on a Sunday afternoon. It's beautiful out, like 75, 76, a nice breeze coming through the windows. Because I have the stove going, I got the air on, and I got the hat on. I was feeling kind of miserable today. I don't know why. In a funky mood, so I thought I'd bring the old Wicked Penny hat out. With my Wicked Penny glass. I just loved it. Okay. Anyway, let's bendy, and I'll walk you through. And I think it's kind of interesting because it's different, and I'll tell you where the stuff is different in this one. Okay, guys, what I have here is a whole stick of butter, half a cup, because 2 sticks are a whole. So I have a half a cup of butter. I have it on a medium heat, and now I'm going to sprinkle in the exact same amount of flour. A half a cup of flour. We're going to make a nice roux. In order to get an amazing homemade mac and cheese, you got to start out with a roux. Got to cook off this flour taste. And, okay. Now I've made a roux before on the channel, so you've all seen it before. So what it is, can you see? It's just the butter and the flour, stirry with the whisk. You want to cook out that flour taste before you start adding your milk, but you don't want to scald it. It'll turn dark brown. Seize up, okay? So I think this is pretty good. What I'm going to add now is 4 cups of milk, okay? Little at a time. Stirry. Okay. Gentle. Are you feeling me? Are you following me? Okay. This is going to make a nice thick bechamel sauce, guys. The base for any good mac and cheese. Well, also, if you're in a pinch, a good base is the orange powder in the box. But we're going to do it homemade. This is Sam and Anna's absolute favorite dish, too. They could eat mac and cheese 24/7. Well, Sammy gets it from his mama, clearly. Anna's skin and bones, but that's the one thing she indulges in for sure is macaroni and pasta. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest in. The butter is, or the flour is no lumps, no nothing, nice and smooth. I'm gonna put my heat up a little bit because we gotta get this so it's nice and thick. Okay. So normally for mac and cheese, guys, you would take this and you would add all the cheese. I mean, look at the amount of cheese I have. I have 6 cups here. I have white cheddar, I have sharp orange cheddar, and then I have like a Mexican shredded blend of cheddar and a couple other like Mexican cheeses. So yeah. So what we got to do is we got to get this baby nice and thick. Come on, keep stirring. It'll come to, once it starts to boil, it'll get nice and thick. And I see it starting to bubble now. So normally, like I said, I squirreled off. Normally, in a mac and cheese sauce, you have this, right? As soon as it starts to get a little thick, you start adding your cheese in to make a nice, thick cheese sauce. I mean, I still probably could do that, but I'm going to show you what this recipe does that's different. And I wanted to try it to see if the consistency comes out any different. So the pasta that I'm going to be using, guys, this is the best pasta, not elbows. Cavatappi. It's the most amazing macaroni and cheese pasta you can get. So if you have elbows, use those, or you have corkscrews, use those. But if you can find the cavatappi, I would recommend it if you're ever going to make mac and cheese, homemade mac and cheese. So there we go. This process is taking a while. Again, once I have it up hot. All right. But what we're going to do is, while this is getting to that point, we are going to I'm going to turn this, guys, so you can see until it starts to thicken up. I have a 9 by 13 pan. I love this cake pan. And I'm going to grab my pasta. It's nice and hot. Okay. Pouring it out and being extra careful. Okay. It has to be super, 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 super hot. The pasta. Turn that down a little bit. Okay, let's stir and see where we're getting. Oh, it's starting to thicken up. That it is. Am I coming in clear? Okay. So, what this calls for is you take the pasta, okay, and you dump this in, just like so. Now, I don't know how this is going to fit all this, but I guess it's going to. Ooh, yummy. Now, what you have to do, believe it or not, I have to put the cheese all over it right now. Over this hot pasta. Oh, I'm spilling it on the floor. Okay, look at all this yummy cheese. Look at these nice thick cups. Now, I know I'm not supposed to use pre-shredded because when it goes through the shredding mill, they have to flour the cheese so it doesn't clog up the shredder. So, yeah. So, I got this mixed in a little. Okay. It's laying right on top. I'm going to put my salt and pepper in this bechamel now. It's 1 teaspoon of each. Okay. But this cheese is just resting on this hot pasta. Okay. Oh, this is starting to come along. Thicky thick. I'm going to keep stirring. It's getting thicker and thicker. So guys, see? Now isn't this interesting? We have this cheese all over the pasta. Not in the cream sauce. Which that's different. Normally you throw the cheese in here. So I just wanted to try this. See how it comes out. Okay. Ooh, it's getting nice and thick. Almost there. Maybe another minute. Okay. So, right now I have another pan sitting here, and I'll switch it over into eyesight for you guys as soon as this is done. And I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of butter, because then we make a delicious crumb topping for it. Just gonna melt it. Oh, guys, this is good. Nice and smooth. Look. Come here. I'm going to show you the consistency. Look at this. You see how it's nice, smooth, and thick, huh? Wait, can you see? Oh, there's the camera. There you go. Bubbly, bubbly. Yum. Okay. All right. We get you again. Here we go with this high-tech shit, right? Okay. I think this is good. You don't want it too thick. All right. So what you do is you just pour this beautifulness all over this cheese. Make sure you get it all, okay? Every little corner. All right? Come on. Isn't this a cool, different way? Instead of melting the cheese ahead of time? We'll find out when the finished product is ready, right? So then it says to stirry. Ah! Ooh! Ooh! Okay. I'm going to move it. Ooh! Ooh! It's hot. Over here. So you can see. All right. Oh, it said, let it sit for a minute. I'm going to let it sit for a minute. Put it back. Hot Mess Express. We're doing the topping. Okay? Here we go. Told you. Melting the butter. Okay? In this cute little pan that Nick Hayner got me. I haven't seen him around much. So, Nick, if you watch the video, as you can see, I love the pans. They're the best. Okay? I got this on a medium to high heat. 2 tablespoons of butter. And 3/4 cup panko breadcrumbs. We're just going to toast these off a little bit with a little butter. Voila, that's it. You don't want to burn them. You want to just get them nice and toasty brown. Okay. Doesn't take long at all. And when these are done, I think the macaroni will be done. Guys, I mean, come on, this isn't that hard, right? You guys can do it. I just showed you how easy. Easy, easy, easy. Ooh, that was hot. Ooh, ooh. You know me. Clean as you go. Clean as you go, ho. Clean as you go, ho. Okay. These are coming along. Stirry stir. And actually, this, when you do these, you could do these ahead of time and put them in a cup, guys. Then they're all done, waiting for you. You don't have, like me, I just figured I'd show you how to do them while we were waiting for this to get a little melty. Okay? So, oh, guys, these smell good. Nothing better than buttery croutons or buttery breadcrumbs. You feel me? Let's have a sip. They're almost done. Then this is going to go in a 350-degree oven. And actually, everything is pretty hot. I think that's why they want you to toast the breadcrumbs a little bit. Because it doesn't take long in the oven, guys, this recipe. It called for just like 20 minutes, I think. You're just really getting it all together. Okay. Ooh, these are almost done. Ooh, these are almost done. Look, can you see them? Come on, I'll give you a little zoom. Ready? See? Oh, where am I? Where am I with the camera? Ah! Hello. Okay. Can you see? Oh, see, look. See how brown and toasty? Yay! Okay, we don't want to burn them. We don't want to burn them. We're going to put you back and we're done. We're going to just plop these on. Okay? Ooh, okay. Turn that burner off. Take this. We're transferring over to here because this is super hot now. And look, okay? Oh my God, guys. Look at this cheese. Look at that. Oh my, I love it. Now we just got to stir it all. Oh my God, guys. Look at this cheese. Is your mouth watering? Because I know mine's watering. Oh my God. This is freaking to die for. I mean, really, to die for. If you were in my kitchen and saw this cheesy, ooey, oh my God. All right, we got to make sure it's all stirred. All right. My God, it looks so good. It's going to be so good. Okay, that's it. It's all done. All right. Then we're taking these toasted breadcrumbs. Okay. We're going to sprinkle them. Oh, guys, look. See? That's what I mean. Like, if you had to bake this for a very long time, you'd have to bake it till the top got nice and brown. But because this is all done, you're really just solidifying it a little bit in the oven, right? Look at this, guy. I'm excited, guys. I really am. I'm super pumped. Oh, my God. Here we go. Look at this. All right? Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my God, look. I mean, really, right? I mean, I could probably taste a little just like that. But guys, oh my God, that sauce, the cheese, look. But we ain't trying it till it's done for about 20 minutes. So don't go away. I know the video's long, but it's going to be cheesy fucking worth it. Okay? Don't go away. Hello, I'm back. Guys, I think this calls for a celebration, to be honest with you. I mean, there are masterpieces, and then there's the Mona Lisa, and then there's Wicked Penny's mac and cheese. I'm not gonna lie, I think it's a keeper. So in celebration, we're gonna have a little beverage in my fancy glass, a UFO pineapple. And we're going to cheers this bitchin' dish together. Okay, so this is the finished product. This is it. All bubbly and goodly and deliciously amazeballs, right? Absolute amazeballs. So, I'm gonna scoop myself out. a little hunk of burning love, and you guys are gonna die when you see this. Okay, I gotta get a nice fork. Oh, okay. Now, no one's ever gonna be sad when they see cheese like this falling off their plate. Now, I don't know if it does this because we put, hang on. I don't know if it does this because we put that cheese like that and we didn't incorporate it in the bechamel sauce. The bechamel sauce. Bechamel. Okay, but, oh my God. We'll do this side too. You never know if you need a video or a thumbnail on this side. Oh, no, there's the, no, let's just eat it. Fucking stupid, Penny. Come on. Amazing. Here we go. I mean, oh my God, guys, right? Crunchy panko. Guys, amazing. Absolutely amazing. Sip. Sip, then some more. Oh my God, it's to die for. Ready? One more taste. Here we go. Guys. Not a sleeper. A definite keeper. Make it right away. ASAP. You won't be disappointed. Like, share, subscribe. Please leave comments. It helps my channel out tremendously. Hit the like button or thumbs me up and hit your bell so you don't miss any notifications. Thanks for staying with me. Have a great day and wait. Cheers. Peace.